So Reels have been around for a while and they're still one of the most powerful ways to grow your channel. However, they're not easy to make as they cost a lot of time and effort, and keeping up with the top dogs is not a walk in the park either. That's why in this video I'm gonna give you 5 incredible AI tools that require no skill and take your Instagram Reels to the next level in a matter of seconds. So for our first AI tool, let's kick it off with AI video scripts. So you might have heard of ChatGPT by now, which is an online AI chat box, and it turns out it's a perfect tool to create Reels with. By simply submitting a text prompt, it can save you loads of time coming up with ideas for Instagram Reels, as well as generating incredible video scripts from the get-go. To get the most out of this tool, try to be very specific in your request. You know, besides mentioning the video topic for your reel, consider including the style, tone of voice, the amount of words, or the structure of your content. We know top performing reels are usually very snappy and very fast-paced, so we simply ask ChatGPT to implement this, so we get a nice and snappy script for our reel in return. In the end, I usually make a few final tweaks to make it a bit more personal, but that's pretty much it. So we generated a full script for our reel in just a few minutes. So we've got our script, but how are we gonna look at this and look at the camera lens at the same time? Skipping the technical hassle of a teleprompter, I've got an AI tool that can fix this. I'm talking about a one-click AI tool by VEED called eye contact correction. It automatically fixes your gaze to look straight into the camera in your recorded video. It's great because no matter if you sit down and read, or walk and talk at the same time, watch your reel become more interactive in just a click of a button. Very easy, however, fixing direct eye contact doesn't prevent loud construction work and strong winds from blasting into your microphone and ruining your complete audio. That's why for our next tool, I've got a really quick AI-powered solution that fixes our audio in a single click as it removes the background noise and keeps the recorded voice intact.
This is before AI cleaned my audio, and this is after AI cleaned my audio.
It's crucial because bad audio will make your video misunderstood, which makes viewers think it's a low quality reel and they swipe away before you know it. So if you have some humming or hissing in the background, easily fix the audio of your reel with VEED's Clean Audio tool and let AI magically make your background noise disappear in just a few seconds. Now, it's nice that it fixes the audio, but it doesn't fix the migraines I get when I have to edit my reels. Trimming, cutting, removing silences and sorting out all the clips easily eats up my precious time. But as much as it's painful, it's necessary. But finally, our prayers have been heard and we can finally auto-trim our complete raw recording. It's called Magic Cut by VEED and it does all the trimming for us in just a click of a button. All you need to do is import your raw recording you would like to use for your reel, click on the Magic Cut button, and it creates a snappy and perfectly trimmed Instagram reel for you in a matter of seconds. And the best part is the clips will always stay intact, so you can continue making tweaks to your reel if you want to do so. So what's left to make our Instagram reel top notch? What do we see all the top creators do all the time? That's right. Subtitles. And not just any subtitles, animated subtitles. We're using VEED's editor again, in which we can use AI to auto-subtitle our Instagram reel in a matter of clicks. And after a moment, you will have synced subtitles you can adjust in any way you wish. To customize and animate your subtitles, simply head over to Styles, in which you can find presets and other design options to make your subtitles more appealing. And the creme de la creme, if you head over to the animation tab, you will find one-click animations you can instantly apply to your subtitles. And what I really like is even when I'm on the go and I don't have my laptop, I can use my phone to instantly add animated captions. VEED has a very helpful captions app you can download on your iPhone, so no matter where you are, you can always add animated subtitles to your reels. To find it, you can search for captions in the App Store or find a link in the description to try it for free. So try to experiment with it a little, but these are AI tools you could use to not only make reels faster, but also increase the chance to make them chart next to creators like Alex or Mosey. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. For now, thank you so much for watching. Good luck and see you next time.